New beginnings and endless possibilities. That's our philosophy. Work hard and party harder. That's what we do at AISSMS.
Talking about the strengths of the college, the biggest strength that the college possesses is accreditation from various statutory authorities. The college is accredited for a period of 5 years from NAC accreditation, and it is accredited for its BHMCT program from NBA.
We at AISSMS believe in transparency. Emphasizing on the ethics of transparency, our admission process is strong.
Follows all measures for anti-ragging. We ensure students to fill undertaking for anti-ragging every year. Apart from college members, we have external members from NGO, local media and police department. We have no cases till date in ragging.
Academics is the backbone to any educational institute, and it plays a very important role. We have a course monitoring committee in place in which the CRs, on behalf of the respective classes, put forth their constructive feedback on academics.
We initiated the use of Microsoft Teams as our teaching learning platform, for which we did train the trainer sessions for our teachers and also conducted training sessions for our students in the use of this platform to make sure that the teaching learning process is smooth and seamless. And yes, we are successfully operating the same currently.
Resource planning is one software that is used by faculty members to upload student assignments, also objectives, which can be accessed by them with the login ID and password.
We at AISSMS believe in providing professional assistance and guidance in resolving personal or psychological problems of students.
Discipline committee is responsible for practice of training our students to obey rules and regulation and code of conduct which is set by college.
Industrial training is one of the most important aspects of hotel management career. Students should get an opportunity to do their internships in India as well as abroad.
Training and placement prepare our students for job interviews by giving them training on CV writing, personal interviews and also group discussions.
Well, at AISSMS CHMCT, our strong point has always been our infrastructure. Having said that, we have 2 wonderful guest rooms under renovation, a tech-savvy front office lab and a digital classroom.
In culinary professions, skills are extremely important and the career growth depends on how good skilled you are. At AISSMS, we take extreme efforts to sharpen these culinary skills and advance the technical knowledge of the students while training them for various competitions.
Here in AISSMS CHMCT, we have separate kitchens for every course and for every year of that course, namely basic training kitchen, quantity training kitchen, advanced training kitchen and a separate bakery, and we have specialized training kitchen as well.
Specialized bakery is one of the skilled and technical part of the bakery and confectionery, where sculptures, models and advanced bakery products are the part of this section.
Food and beverage department is a complex operation which involves highly specialized tasks. At AISSMS CHMCT, we have 3 restaurants named as Vintage with a mock bar, Signature with banqueting facilities and the 2015 with a fine dining concept.
We are responsible in organizing internal events such as freshers parties and farewell parties and our annual external event Atithya.
And we also believe in practice makes man perfect. In order to achieve excellence and winning title in the competitions, we train our students with different competitions for food and beverage and food production.
Students of AISSMS College have won many awards and trophies in intercollegiate hospitality competitions. For this, we give special training to the students and faculty members have been allotted to give the extra guidance.
Atithya is our annual flagship event and in which our PR team reaches out to national and international hospitality schools and encourage them to participate in Atithya.
The college always believes in holistic development of our students. We plan numerous activities for them to bring out their talent and hidden skills. Some of these activities are supported by external industry partners and SPPU as well.
ODCs also help us to keep a good rapport with the hotels to make sure the development of the students and the college happens in a timely manner and are up to date with the latest trends.
NSS is called as a national service scheme. Under this category, we organize various activities like a blood donation camp, tree plantation. Then we provide various needs as per the requirement of the asylums and orphanage in the form of.
We follow sustainable practices in the campus. Green audit, energy audit and environmental audit is conducted every year. And
AISSMS believe sports is the integral part of students' curriculum. The students have been participating actively in various sports events.
Examination department is one of the crucial departments in the institute. We have a structured process for examination which emphasizes on the continuous evaluation process of the student.
I think your net worth is determined by your network, and we at AISSMS have excellent contacts in the industry, be it the bigger hotel chains like the Taj, Oberoi's or Marriott, including brands like Ritz-Carlton, to smaller hotel chains with limited presence. We are the preferred campus destination for them.
The bonding between the students and the teacher is one of the strength of this college. What we have seen is the students who come here when they are freshly out from the school, when they pass out, they are more holistic, more responsible and more mature person.
Alumni have a very strong bonding and connection with the college. We have a separate alumni portal dedicated for the students who pass out from the college, where they can interact with each other.
Our college is very active on all the social media platforms. This ensures that we are connected with all the stakeholders all the time. Do follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn and on YouTube. Hope to see you soon online.